everyone, this is Marika and welcome back to another session with me. So in our previous session, we were dealing with one of the important method of teaching, which is seminar, right? We've seen what is a seminar and what are the characteristics of seminar. We've also discussed about the techniques of seminar and seminar as a method of teaching. We have remaining aspects to deal with: the role of individuals in the seminar and the advantages and disadvantages of seminar. Before we move on to see what are the roles of different individuals, who are the people involved in the process of seminar and what are the advantages and disadvantages, let us quickly recall what seminar is and what are the different types of seminar. So as discussed yesterday, a seminar is a closed group of discussion which is controlled and organized. A seminar can be called a discussion, but it is a controlled discussion. It is usually held for a small number of people and it is guided by an expert on the particular field. Seminar is one of the method of teaching which will help the students to increase their problem solving skills and also reasoning and critical thinking skills. We also discussed about classification of seminar, which are 4 different types, that is mini seminar, main seminar, national seminar and international seminar. A mini seminar is a seminar held within the classroom or in the classroom level. A main seminar is a seminar that is held at departmental level. National and international seminars are held at national level and international level respectively. Now let us see the members involved in the process of seminar. So there are various members involved in the process of seminar to conduct a seminar, and all the members who are involved in the process of seminar plays a different role throughout the seminar. So let us see who are the different members involved in seminar and what are the responsibilities that they carry out during the process of seminar. Now, personnel involved in seminar are organizers, chairperson, speakers and participants. So there are mainly 4 different groups or 4 different personnel involved in seminar, which is chairperson, organizer, the speaker and the participants. Let us see one by one what are the roles of different personnel in seminar. First of all, let us see the role of organizers. It is the organizers who decides the topic. Okay, so organizers are a group of people who actually organize the seminar. So it is the organizers who decides the topic of discussion, the topic for the seminar is chosen by the organizers. In seminar, the organizers not only selects the topic but also formulates educational objectives, right? So organizers are the people who organize the seminar, who conduct the seminar. So they select the topic that they find interesting. So once the topic is selected, the organizers will also write down and formulate the educational objectives that are to be met after the seminar is conducted. Now, the role of the organizer is also to find a chairperson for the seminar. So a chairperson can be a person who has immense knowledge on the particular topic or the particular content chosen for discussion. The organizers will select the topic, select the educational objective, formulate the educational objectives, and finally search a suitable person who can be the chairman for the particular seminar session. And a chairman should be a person, or a chairperson should be a person who has immense knowledge on the particular topic on which the seminar is being conducted. In consultation with the chairperson, the organizers may also bring changes in the educational objectives. The topic was decided, the educational objectives were formulated, chairman was selected. Now the organizers will consult with the chairman, and if there are any changes that is to be brought in the educational objectives which is to be attained by the end of the class by the learners, those changes are made and modification of educational objectives is done in consultation with the chairperson. The chairperson will also finalize the various aspects of seminar and also choose the speaker for the seminar. As I said in the beginning, there are organizers, there are chairpersons, and there are speaker and participants. So organizers selects the speakers as well. Now, once the speakers are selected, date and time for conducting seminar is fixed according to the convenience of the chairperson as well as the speakers. So in order to conduct a seminar, a time and date is required, a venue and a particular time period is required. That is fixed according to the convenience of the speaker and as well as the chairperson. So these are the various roles of organizers. Moving on, let us see the role of chairperson. Now, a chairperson should be a person who has enough knowledge on the particular topic. A chairperson is the person who has in-depth knowledge regarding the topic, and it is the chairperson who will guide the entire seminar in a fruitful manner. Now, as we have seen yesterday, seminar begins with the introductory speech of chairperson. So the role of the chairperson is to give an introductory speech on the particular topic, to give an introductory speech to the participants, speaker, and everyone involved in the seminar. Now, after the chairperson has given a brief introductory speech, the chairperson invites the first speaker to present according to the order. So, the seminar starts once the chairperson gives an introductory speech. Once the introductory speech is given, the chairperson invites the first speaker so that the speaker can share the knowledge and researches that they have done to the members of the seminar. Once a speaker completes the speech, it is the responsibility of the chairperson to summarize the speech of the speaker. So once a particular speaker has spoken about the knowledge that they have gained from various sources, the chairperson has to summarize what the speaker has spoken. Once the chairperson summarizes what the first speaker has spoken, the chairperson can then request the second speaker to come up and speak about the knowledge and ideas that they have gathered. After all the speakers have completed their speeches, the chairperson opens the discussion session by inviting people to ask questions, clarify their doubts, and also give their contribution to the seminar. So the chairperson is the person who has in-depth knowledge on the topic. The chairperson starts the seminar with an introductory speech. After the introductory speech, the chairperson invites the first speaker to speak. Once a particular speaker completes his speech, the chairperson summarizes after each speaker has given their speech. And after all the speakers have given their speeches, the chairperson opens the discussion by inviting participants to ask questions, give their contribution, and if any doubts, to clarify those doubts. Now, as discussed yesterday, if a question is asked or if a doubt is raised by any of the participants, the chairperson will invite the particular speaker to give reply or to give answer. Now, if the particular speaker is not able to give answer, or if the particular individual is not able to clarify the doubt, then the chairperson intervenes and clarifies the doubt of the audience or the participants. Next, we have role of speakers. Now, from the term itself, you are able to understand these are the speakers, right? So, the success of seminar highly depends on the involvement and the contribution of the participants or the speakers. The quality and quantity of the information that is shared by the speakers to the group plays a major role in deciding the discussion session. Whatever the speaker speaks about, the point that the speakers speak about is taken as a point of discussion, right? So the quality and the quantity of the information that a particular speaker or all the speaker gives during a seminar is highly important. Now, as a speaker is expected to present the given topic or present the given paper in a relevant and interesting manner with the help of various AV aids. Now, it is the speaker who prepares all the study material and hands over to the organizer. So yesterday in the technique, we've seen the organizer will distribute the study material to the participants and the people involved in seminar 1 or 2 hours before the seminar actually begins. So those study materials that we discussed yesterday are not prepared by organizers, but by the speakers. Okay, so the speaker prepares the study material and hands it over to the organizer. The organizer distributes it to the entire participants of the seminar so that they can go through on the topic. So these are the various roles of speaker. Okay, so the main role of the speaker is to speak about, to gather information from various primary sources and do researches, and then finally speak upon the topic that they have chosen or they have been given. As the quality and quantity of information that they present, that they speak about, plays a major role in the discussion session as well. Now, let us see what are the roles of participants. Now, the objectives of the seminar are framed according to the learning needs of the participants, right? In the beginning, we have seen that organizers frame the educational objectives, right? So, the organizers will frame the educational objectives according to the educational need, learning need of the participants. Now, it is the participants who make a seminar lively and interesting. So the participants will be handed over the study material that is prepared by the speaker and given to the organizer. So the organizer will distribute the study material beforehand to the participants so that they can prepare themselves. Next is the participants will ask questions if they have any doubt. They ask to clarify their doubts, and they also express their viewpoints. Next one we have is role of a teacher. Now, a teacher also plays a role in selecting the topic of discussion. The teacher also helps the organizer to select the topic of discussion. Next one, the teacher before conducting the seminar must give enough time for preparation of the students, right? As we have seen yesterday, at least 1 to 2 weeks must be given to the student for preparation of a seminar. So the teacher must give ample of time for the students to prepare for the seminar. Now, the teacher is not actively involved in seminar, rather the teacher stays in the background and observes the entire group, the involvement of the participants, the involvement of the speakers, the involvement of the organizers. So the teacher observes the entire process but remains in the background and does not play an active role. So the teacher also prepares and helps in the initial stage of seminar. Right? The teacher will help the organizer, as I said, to select the topic or to formulate the educational objective. So other various activities that are to be maintained within a classroom in order to carry out a seminar, the teacher helps in those activities to the organizer. During the seminar, the teacher has to make sure that no important points are overlooked or any kind of inaccuracies are corrected. So the teacher is there to guide the students, right? So the teacher has to make sure that whatever information that is being generated by the speaker, which is being passed on to the other people, participants involved in the seminar, every important point related to the topic is taken by the speakers. The role of the teacher is also to see that all the members are actively involved in the process and share their viewpoints, and irrelevant discussions are avoided during seminar. So the teacher has to be a mentor and a guide and look after the process, observe the entire process. If there are any kind of mistakes being committed, the teacher has to correct those mistakes, and the teacher has to discourage irrelevant discussion. So these are the roles of various personals in seminar. Let us move forward and see what are the advantages and disadvantages of seminar. The first advantage is that each group member will actively participate in order to achieve the desired objective, the educational objective. So in seminar, we see that it is learner-centric and all the learners are actively involved in order to attain the educational objective. Next advantage is that it will help to boost the morale and self-esteem of the students when their viewpoints are actually accepted. Now, when a seminar is properly conducted, if it is properly conducted, it will teach the method of scientific analysis and research to the students. The students have to do their own research and they have to collect information from the primary source. That is what we discussed yesterday. So, conducting seminar will help the students to learn about data analysis, scientific analysis of data, and also various researches. Next one is the exchange of facts and information, who share the knowledge and information that they have gained. And there are various people and participants who actually gets involved in the process of discussion, which results in exchange of ideas, thoughts, knowledge, and various information between one another. Next one is it offers the group members, the people involved in seminar, to express their ideas and viewpoints in full freedom. Okay, so the participants and the members involved in the process of seminar will be able to express their viewpoints and ideas. Next benefit is that individuals who are involved in the process of seminar will develop problem solving skills. We have seen in the beginning in the definition that a seminar is an activity which helps the student to develop problem solving skills, because a certain problem is given, the students are supposed to find the solution to the particular problem. Therefore, it will help the individual, the students involved in seminar, to develop their problem solving skills. So through participation in seminar, the students will develop more critical, scientific and organized approach towards the particular issue of discussion. So whatever was taken as a topic of discussion, the students and the participants of the seminar will develop knowledge regarding that issue or knowledge regarding that particular topic. They'll have a more critical and scientific knowledge about the particular topic. So these are the various advantages of seminar. Let us see what are the disadvantages of seminar. The first one is time consuming and is usually not completed within the scheduled time. So seminars are not like and it is usually not possible to complete the seminar within a given period of time. Next one is if the subject knowledge is poor. For the seminar, as I said, the students, the speakers have to do a proper research. They have to collect data from primary source of information. Now, if the subject knowledge is poor, the entire seminar, the entire process of discussion might be a waste of time. Also, if the subject knowledge is poor, unnecessary discussion may arise. When you know what is to be spoken, what is important, what is relevant, only those points are focused. When you don't have a proper knowledge on the topic, and it makes seminar useless. The next disadvantage is that seminar, as in the definition only, we have seen it is a small kind of controlled, organized scientific group discussion. So seminar is only and only for a small group of people. It does not benefit a larger group of people. In seminar, it is usually difficult to involve large group of people. That is another disadvantage. So in this, we have seen what is seminar, right? What are the different types of seminar? What are the different types of problems that are used in seminar? We also discussed the classification of seminar. We have also discussed the seminar as a method of teaching, the characteristics of seminar, seminar techniques, and the role of personals involved in seminar, and finally the advantages and disadvantages of seminar. We have also seen the difference between seminar and a group discussion, right? So seminar is a scientific approach based method, whereas in group discussion, students and learners share their point of views and their ideas on the particular topic. But in seminar, a scientific approach, an in-depth research, and an expert teacher on the particular topic, an expert chairman on the particular field of discussion is present during the process of seminar. I hope the class was helpful, where we will be discussing about another method of teaching, that is field trip. Thank you and have a great day.